Welcome back to Road Warriors Official 1, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're looking at the all-new 2025 Ford Capri, a name that once defined European performance coupes, now reborn with a modern twist. Ford has taken a bold step by bringing back the Capri, but not in the way many expected. Instead of a traditional coupe, the new Capri is a stylish fastback crossover, blending sporty aesthetics with everyday practicality. The design is sharp and futuristic, featuring a sleek roof line, aggressive LED headlights, and a sculpted front grille that gives it a commanding presence on the road. It rides on large alloy wheels, and depending on the trim, you can get two-tone paint options that enhance its dynamic look. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Capri comes with a range of powertrain options. The base model features a 2.0-liter EcoBoost turbocharged engine producing around 250 horsepower, while the top-end variant boasts a hybrid-assisted 2.5-liter engine pushing close to 300 horsepower. Ford is also offering a fully electric version, sharing technology with the Mustang Mach-E, delivering up to 350 horsepower and a range of approximately 300 miles on a single charge. The electric model comes with all-wheel drive, ensuring excellent grip and performance. Step inside, and the Capri greets you with a tech-focused interior that blends luxury and innovation. A massive infotainment screen dominates the center console, running Ford's latest sync system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital driver's display is customizable, giving you all the essential driving information. The cabin materials feel premium, with soft touch surfaces, ambient lighting, and comfortable seats that provide excellent support for long drives. The fastback design allows for ample cargo space, making it a practical choice for those who want performance without sacrificing usability. On the road, the Capri delivers a balanced driving experience. The steering is precise, and the suspension is tuned to provide both comfort and agility. The hybrid and electric versions benefit from instant torque, giving them a quick off-the-line response, while the petrol variant offers a more traditional driving feel with a responsive turbocharged engine. Ford has also equipped the Capri with advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, ensuring a secure drive in all conditions. Pricing for the 2025 Ford Capri starts at around $40,000 for the base model, with the high-performance and electric versions reaching up to $55,000, depending on the option selected. With this new Capri, Ford is redefining what a performance car can be in the modern era. While it may not be the traditional coupe that some fans were hoping for, it brings a unique blend of style, technology, and versatility that makes it a compelling option in today's market. So, what do you think about the all-new Ford Capri? Is this a worthy successor to the classic nameplate, or do you miss the old-school coupe style? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. This is Road Warriors Official 1, and we'll see you in the next one.